Okay, so for these fractional exponents, we got 9 to the negative 3 halves on this one. So a couple of different things going on here. First is that negative, and that's where we have that property that says if I have something to a negative exponent, it's the same thing as having 1 over that thing to the positive exponent. So this we could write as 1 over 9 to the 3 halves. And then this 3 halves, so a great way to think of that is what you have as a base to the power over the root. And so if you think of that as kind of two separate things, there's a cube and then a square root going on. So another way of writing this, and I tend to do the root first because it makes it smaller before I make it bigger. So I'm going to take that 2, and what I'm doing here is I'm thinking of this as 9 to the 1 half cubed, and then 9 to the 1 half, same thing as square root. And then that's going to be cubed. And then once I kind of have it with the 2 steps, then it's not too bad. So then this would be square root of 9 makes 3, and then cubed, and then 3 cubed makes 27. So that is how you look at those. So again, I usually do, what I end up doing with it is writing it as root and power. And if you do that, and you can write that root using the root notation if that's more comfortable, but then just treat it as 2 steps.